In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the conditional split feature in Klaviyo Flow. If you've been looking to customize your audience's journey within an email campaign, understanding conditional splits is essential. It allows you to create different paths based on specific criteria, ensuring that your messaging is tailored and relevant to each segment of your audience. To begin, you'll need to have your flow open in Klaviyo. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see the Strategic Actions sidebar panel. This panel is your main toolkit for building and customizing flows, and it's where you'll find all the components you need to create a dynamic and engaging email sequence. Next, locate the conditional split component within this panel. It's represented by a diamond icon, making it easy to spot among the other tools. Clicking and holding this icon will allow you to drag it onto your central visual timeline grid. This grid is the heart of your flow, where you can see and manage all the elements of your email sequence visually. As you drag the conditional split onto the grid, you'll want to drop it precisely where you envision the audience path branching. This placement is crucial because it determines where in the flow the split will occur. By strategically placing the conditional split, you ensure that the right conditions are applied at the right time in the audience's journey. Once you've positioned the conditional split, it's time to define the conditions that will dictate the different paths. These conditions could be based on various factors such as user behavior, demographic information, or engagement history. For instance, you might set a condition that branches the flow based on whether a customer has previously purchased from your store. By doing this, you can send personalized follow-up emails to those who have made a purchase while targeting potential buyers with different content. After you've set your conditions, don't forget to save your changes. Saving is a critical step in ensuring that all your hard work is secured and that your flow is ready to go live. It's a good habit to regularly save your progress while working in Klaviyo to avoid any loss of data. And that's it! You've successfully added a conditional split to your Klaviyo flow. This feature is a powerful way to enhance your marketing strategy by delivering more personalized and relevant content to your audience. Remember, the more tailored your messaging, the more likely you are to engage your audience and drive conversions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Klaviyo. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Happy marketing!